Bismillah, let's start right. Make our wudu clean and bright. First I wash my hands so well, 3 times clean I cannot tell. Then I rinse my mouth around, swish the water safe and sound. Up my nose the water goes, sniff it in and out it flows. Wash my face from ear to ear, 3 times clean the path is clear. Arms up next from hand to elbow, right arm first, watch the water flow. Wet my hands and wipe my head, from the front all the way to the back instead. Clean my ears inside and out, that's what wudu's all about. Last my feet between each toe, right foot first, now watch me go. Now I'm clean and ready to pray, Alhamdulillah, for this beautiful day.